Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading ngayong March 24 to 30, 2025. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading, and please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. Okay, Scorpio. Let's see. Anong ganap? This is your overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, blessing, energy ng money, career, finances, energy ng love life and family. Bottom of the deck is Two of Swords. Alam niyo, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong iniiwasan na person. Ito kasing person na to, maaring potential romantic connection. It's as if you are blocking the energy of this person. Pwedeng dahil natatakot ka. Maaring iba sa inyo, feeling nyo itong person na to, hindi maganda yung intentions towards you. Kaya, medyo mataas yung iyong you are guarding yourself, no? Some of you naman, maaring nakakaramdam kayo ng romantic connection sa isang kaibigan. That's why iniiwasan nyo to kasi ayaw nyo masira ang inyong friendship. Some of you naman, maaring meron kayong kailangang to make a decision about your finances. Kasi yung iba sa inyo gusto nyong magsimula ng negosyo, at tong negosyo na to ay para sa inyo, sa tingin nyo medyo risky siya kasi hindi siya traditional na business. Pwedeng ito ay related sa inyong talento, sa inyong, para kasing meron kayong ibang idea na parang kino-conceptualize na gawing negosyo. Pero you feel like it's something different, na unusual or unique. Oo. But I think, kung magiging sigurado ka dito, magiging successful to in the long run. Kung buo talaga yung loob mo. Overall energy, diba? Four of Wands. This is celebration. So this week, maaring meron ka celebrating with your loved ones, your family, a certain achievement, no? Pwedeng achievement mo sa bahay. Let's say, nakapagpaayos ka ng bahay, nakabili ka ng bahay. There's also a major event in the family na kung saan magsasama-sama kayo and magkakaroon kayo ng bond together. Alam niyo, parang team building, ganyan. Sa iba, pwedeng team building talaga to kasi pag sinabi natin family, hindi lang naman yan sa blood, by blood. So, it can also be family na by choice. Yung mga pinipili mong pamilya mo. Your challenge is the Eight of Wands. So, this week can be very busy. Maaring marami kang kailangang gawin, ayusin, asikasuhin to the point na hindi mo alam kung anong unahin mo. So, you have to manage your time, your energy, para lahat yan ma-fulfill mo. At syempre, kung alam mo hindi mo kaya, wag mo munang kunin. 'Di ba? Yung load na yon. O halimbawa, kontrata, o alam mo hindi mo kayang i-deliver yung kontrata na yon, wag mong kunin. Kung ano lang yung kaya mo para hindi ka mahirapan. And then your opportunity, you have the Page of Pentacles. Some of you have the opportunity to start a business. Kailangan lang dito ng matinding pag-aaral. Kasi, parang, yung iba sa inyo, itong puhunan nyo na to is parang one-time puhunan na kapag hindi nyo naasikaso, mahirap lang mag-generate ulit. So, you have to make sure that you are doing your best. Na hindi siya yung parang bahala na, ganun. Dapat planado mo siya. And then your blessing wheel of fortune, wow. The blessing here is something is going to change in your situation. It will get better. Okay? If nasa sitwasyon ka ngayon na parang unorganized, magulo, or parang wala kang nahihit na target, or parang walang direksyon yung buhay mo, this week, something will change. And I think, merong bagong inspiration na darating sa'yo na yun yung magmo-motivate sa'yo to move forward. So, sa money, career, finances, o diba? May magmo-motivate sa'yo with the Ace of Wands. This is a new opportunity. Tapping into your creative talents and skills na parang meron kang realization, eureka moment na, oh wow, this is a great opportunity. Diba? Yung iba may sisimulang bagong trabaho. And then your love life, yung iba sa inyo, you are very careful in your relationship. Kahit na ito ay hindi romantic, no? So, yung iba sa inyo, hindi nyo na hindi nyo na pinagsasabi yung inyong mga plano sa ibang tao. Kasi, maaring the moment na sinasabi nyo sa iba yan, parang na-jinx, no? Lalo na kung it is something big na may isip ng iba na, wow, ano ba yun? Ang galing naman ang gagawin niya. Tapos, yung iba may kasama ng inggit, diba? Oh, new beginnings. See? May fresh start. Yung iba sa inyo, may bagong career, business. Wow, ang bilis ng nito, pag-unlad. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Talagang nag-prepare kayo for this. This is going to be an awesome journey. Yeah, meron ka talagang decision na gagawin this week. Kaya lang ang problema, the more na hindi ka nakakapag-decide, the more na parang natatagalan na mag-manifest sa'yo yung gusto mo. So, you have to be, fast-paced, kumbaga. Ayan, no? Progressions, journey. Yes, magkakaroon ka ng progress. Dignified strength. So, I think you're going to tap into your strengths. Ano ba yung kalakasan mo? Ano ba yung mga kakayanan mo? Parang yan yung yan yung advantage mo. Heart medicine, let go of that which does not serve your highest good. Yes. Anything that is no longer serving you, out na yan. Yes. And then, divine timing, good things come to those who wait. Patience is the key. May mga bagay na hindi kayang ipilit, no? The more na pinipilit mo, hindi nangyayari. So, just go with the flow and, of course, do your part. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.